Many of you have enjoyed our practice video format, the one where I look into and analyze the trades. So let's keep it up and see some of the recent trades I've made. As usual, I will explain my rationale behind making it, and hopefully it will help you to understand the market better. So let's get started.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
So let's take a look at our first case. This 3-minute time frame chart sees a downtrend. The market then goes up until the level of resistance. At this point, some news must have been introduced, so the market saw a strong movement, after which the downtrend is expected to continue. I know this thanks to my indicators and this candlestick's long shadow. So I buy a put option that expires in 5 minutes and wait to see what happens. And moving on to my next case, here I was lucky to spot this bullish flag pattern in time. We see this strong impulse here, then the chart shows a correction that gradually brings the market up to this level of resistance. The price has already started to break this level, so I decided to make my move and buy a 5-minute call option. My next trade, and here we see a downtrend again. The market has reached this level of resistance and is now testing it. The CCI indicates that the market has been overbought for quite a long time, but I'm not yet sure as to when the rebound will happen. Because of this, I opt for a longer expiration time, say 10 minutes, and of course a put option. This next trade was possible thanks to the Vortex indicator. If you're not familiar with it, feel free to watch the video about this indicator right here. At the moment, the dominating green line is starting to lose its ground, giving the way to the red one. This indicates that the price should eventually go down. In addition to this, I also notice this triangle pattern that indicates that the price will probably break this level of support. Then the MACD and stochastic also support our analysis, so I buy a put option that expires in 5 minutes. So that's pretty much it for today. A quick reminder, all my announcements and the analysis of my trading activity and also my trading signals can be found on my Telegram channel, so consider subscribing. I hope this video was useful for you. See you soon, stay safe and be in touch.